In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Pocket Option account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to pocketoption.com, and then on here at the very far right at the top, as you can see, it says registration and login. Now, if you can't see that, you should see registration over here, and this is where you want to click. Now, after you do that, you're gonna first have to put in your email and then your password you want to use, and then if you have a promo code, you can put that in as well. Now, then you have to read their public offer agreement, and you wanna check that up as well, and then you can click the sign up button. Now, if you don't wanna do that, you can also sign up with Google, so you can just click on Google over here. You can then go ahead and select your Google account on your list in case you have multiple, and then you'll simply have to just confirm by pressing continue, and your account should be created. Now, I just logged in over here, as you can see, because I have an account already, but if you don't, it's going to ask you a few more questions, and after it does, this is what you're going to see. This is basically the Pocket Option dashboard over here, and you've successfully created your account. Now, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.